Number 3. Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra, a corded vacuum that packs a powerful punch. Its long power cord ensures you can clean larger areas without interruptions, while the 3 levels of surface adjustment make it adaptable for all floor types. The built-in plastic vanes in the floor head effectively trap long hair, minimizing maintenance issues. Maneuverability is improved with the ball-shaped wheel, making it easier to navigate around furniture. Despite some creaking and flexing due to its mostly plastic construction, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra is a robust vacuum cleaner that can handle tough messes on various surfaces. Compared to cordless models like the Dyson Vi12 Detect Slim, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra outshines with its consistent power and longer cleaning sessions. It offers superior carpet cleaning without damaging delicate fibers, although it can struggle with thick shag pile rugs. The machine's noise level is noticeable, but the results are worth the trade-off. The convenience of not worrying about battery life and the ability to tackle any mess make this vacuum a solid choice for those seeking a reliable cleaning companion. As you consider your next purchase, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra stands out as the best corded Dyson vacuum option on the market today. Curious to see how the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra can transform your cleaning routine? Dive deeper into its features and performance to discover why it's the top choice for corded vacuum enthusiasts.